Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video I'm gonna show you Govee Glide Music LED wall lights unboxing, how to install it, how to work with the Govee application, show all color effects and see what are its pros and cons and is it worth buying. I have divided this video into chapters so you can easily go to any chapters you like. Let's start. Now let's see what's inside the box. Orientation ruler, mini level, user manual, power supply, control box, positioning card, we have 14 LED lights. Connect the adapter and remember, do not splice 3 parts together. First, clean place where you want to stick it. Peel off the self-adhesive backing and stick it to the wall. Finally, connect to the Govee Home application. Now let me show you how to download the Govee Home application. I put the download link for you in the description. For example, in Android device, open Play Store. Then search Govee Home. Download and install this application. Let me show you how to work with this amazing application. Open the application. Scroll left, then to accept the application's rules, select accept. In the first step, we need to connect our device to Govee app. So tap on top right corner to add your device. After that, find your device here. For example, my device is Govee Music. So I search it here and select it. Now it's time to create a Govee account. So tap on create an account here. Enter your email address and select next. Then go to your email and enter the verification code here. Finally, create your password and your password must be at least 8 characters. After that, select next. Re-enter your password and select next. Great, now our Govee account has been created. Here to allow Govee to access our location, please choose while using the app. Select allow to connect your device to Govee. In this step, short press the on or off button like this. Great, this is my device. I can change my device name here. If you don't want, select done. It's time to connect our Govee LED to Wi-Fi, so enter your Wi-Fi password and select done. Choose the correct position and select position correct. That's it. Now it's time to see what each effect of this application is like, and I have recorded all these effects for you.
Yo, what's up?
It's like that.
For me, it really one that you wanna listen to. What's going on, man? The freestyle official, dude. The drop of the beat. they bustin' swell, Joe. What's going on? It's just another fact of life for me, really. One that you wanna listen to. What's going on, man? The freestyle official, dude. People wanna get down with you. One time with this rhyme, let me do it. People wanna get down with you. And reporters sitting, flashing lights. What's going on, man? Your raps is so tight. What's good? The new thing, man, I'm trying to do. I heard you, dog, man, I'm trying to live.
Enciende tu motor. No es una noche más. Hoy te voy a encontrar bailando. Hoy te voy a encontrar bailando. Hoy te voy a encontrar. Vamos, nena, ya no te escondas más. Enciende tu motor. No es una noche más. Hoy te voy a encontrar bailando. 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 Escúchame, baby, dice así. Bailando.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. Oh, wake up heart and wake up mind, and see the world is yours to find. And with every passing day there's more, calling you out to explore. Get up and go. meant to be free.
Now let's go to the positive and negative points of this device. It has DIY. With DIY mode, choose from 16 million colors, brightness and effects. Timer mode, the easy to use timer and the Govee Home application allows you to choose how long your lights stay on without lifting a finger. 16 music modes for any party atmosphere. And finally, voice control. You can pair your lights with Alexa and Google Assistant to change colors, scents and more just with your voice. And for cons, high power consumption in standby. It's really difficult to install this device alone. If you are someone who is tired of your environment and looking for a good change, don't hesitate to buy this product. With Govee Glide Music LED wall lights, you can create a certain of immersive lighting effects inspired by your music. With a wide range of brightness and music options, you can set the mode for any special occasions such as parties or holidays. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video.